Hello. In this video, we're going to discuss about the divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10. Okay, so let us start. So let us start with the divisibility rule for 2. As you can see here, a number is divisible by 2 if the number is an even number. So remember, a number is an even number if the ones digit of that number is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So let us have example here. Determine if the given number is divisible by 2 or not. So number 1, we have 215,426. So you just need to look at the ones digit. So the digit in the ones place is 6. And we all know that 6 is an even number. So that means this number is divisible by 2. So let us write here yes, it is divisible by 2. Next, number 2. So we have 75,130. The ones digit of this number is 0. So 0 is an even number, therefore this number is divisible by 2. Okay, so isn't it hard? Next, number 3, we have 284,603. So the ones digit of this number is 3. And 3 is not an even number. It is an odd number. So that means this number is not divisible by 2. So let us write here no. There you go. Okay, so I hope you get it. Let's proceed to the divisibility rule for 5. This is getting harder. So for the divisibility rule for 5, a number is divisible by 5 if the number ends in 0 or 5, or the ones digit of that number is 0 or 5. So let us have examples here. Number 1, we have 753,805. So this number, the digit in the ones place is, let me use this one, 5. Okay. So according to the rule, if the ones digit is 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. So in this case, this number is divisible by 5. Yes. So let us put there yes. It is divisible by 5. Next, number 2, we have 9,463,759. So the digit in the ones place is 9. And according to the rule, it should be 0 or 5. Since it is not 0 or 5, this number is not divisible by 5. So let us write here no, it's not divisible by 5. Next number, we have 748,380. The digit in the ones place is 0. So it fits the rule that a number is divisible by 5 if it ends in 0 or 5. So that means this number is divisible by 5. So let us write here yes, it is divisible by 5. Okay, I hope you get it. Now let's go to the hardest rule for divisibility. No, I'm just kidding. I always tell my students that this is the hardest. Okay, so divisibility rule for 10. If a number ends in 0, that means it is divisible by 10. Or if the ones digit of the number is 0, it is divisible by 10. Of course, here, let us have example. Number 1, we have 157,890. So this number, the digit in the ones place is 0. Means that this is divisible by 10. 10. Yes, it is divisible by 10. Next, number 2. The digit in the ones place is 5. So here, is it hard to determine if it is divisible by 10 or not? Of course, it is not. It's not divisible by 5. Divisible by 10 because the ones digit is not 0. So let us put there no. And the last one, we have 75,750,200. So the ones digit is 0. That means this number is divisible by 10. Did you get it? Okay. So I hope you learned something. Bye bye.